Have you ever wondered how computers know what to do? Today, we're going to demystify the magic behind computing by exploring algorithms, the precise recipes computers follow to get things done. At its core, an algorithm is simply a set of well-defined instructions that tells a computer how to perform a task or solve a problem. Think of it like a meticulous plan. It's the step-by-step guide a computer follows to achieve a specific outcome, no matter how complex the task might seem. Just as a recipe gives you instructions for baking a cake, an algorithm gives instructions to a computer for performing a computation. You encounter algorithms every day, even if you don't realize it. They're behind many of the technologies we use. For example, when you sort a list of numbers from smallest to largest, you're following a simple algorithm. When your GPS finds the shortest route to your destination, it's using a complex algorithm. Every algorithm operates on a fundamental principle, taking an input, processing it, and producing an output. You give the algorithm some data, input, it performs its instructions, process, and then it gives you a result, output. For an algorithm to work correctly, its steps must be incredibly precise and unambiguous. There's no room for guesswork for a computer. Algorithms are not just theoretical concepts. They are the bedrock of our digital world and enable countless innovations. They allow computers to solve complex problems efficiently and quickly, performing tasks that would be impossible for humans alone. From search engines to social media, self-driving cars to medical diagnostics, algorithms are the foundation of all computing. So, the next time you use a computer or a smart device, remember the algorithms working tirelessly behind the scenes. They are the unseen architects that power our modern digital world, making everything from simple calculations to complex artificial intelligence possible. Algorithms make computers useful and powerful, transforming raw data into meaningful actions and solutions. They truly are the recipe a computer follows.